Imagine the day when a fully real heart made from your own stem cells is printed in space, solving the problem of organ transplants forever. Or quantum supercomputers powered by artificial intelligence that can cure the most complex terminal diseases and cancers in seconds. And perhaps most bizarre of all, connecting your brain directly to the internet with chips like Neuralink that blur the line between human and machine. These aren't dreams. These are three revolutions that are turning the world of medicine upside down. Let's see exactly what the future of our health will look like.
Novus Arcane.
Our first stop is the International Space Station. Why space, you might ask? Because on Earth, when we try to print soft, complex tissues like the human heart, gravity is our enemy, causing the cells to collapse before they can fully form. But in the weightlessness of space, it's a different story. Researchers are now testing a method in which a patient's own stem cells are sent into space. There, bioprinters can assemble these cells layer by layer without the need for scaffolding to form a real beating heart. Because it's made from your own cells, your body will never reject it. That means the end of long waiting lists and a fresh start for millions of heart patients.
Now we move from space to the subatomic world. The second revolution is the union of two technological giants, artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Finding a cure for complex diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's is like finding a needle in a haystack, taking years. But by 2028, quantum computers are expected to be able to simulate all possible drug combinations millions of times faster than current computers. In the process, AI will discover patterns in DNA and proteins that no human can see. The result? Drugs designed precisely for your specific genetics, treating diseases we now call incurable.
And finally, the line between man and machine is blurring. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, like Elon Musk's controversial Neuralink project, are no longer just an idea. The initial goals of these chips are hallowed, restoring movement to the paralyzed, sight to the blind, and even curing brain diseases. But the future goes much further. Imagine being able to learn new skills by thinking, telepathically communicating with computers, or boosting your memory and learning any skill simply by downloading it. We are entering an era where being human takes on a whole new meaning. We are right on the cusp of this golden age. From spacefaring hearts to internet-connected brains, the world is changing faster than ever. Which of these three technologies do you think is the most exciting, or perhaps the most terrifying? Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, stay tuned.